Good day, grade 12 students. Welcome to Practical Research 2. Our topic for today is about research questions. In the previous lessons, you were taught how to design research that is interesting and something that you are passionate about. You have learned that research problems are within your environment or area of interest. You were given various activities to learn how to come up with interesting and useful research problems. In this lesson, identification of the research problems and research questions will be further explained. You have also learned how to craft qualitative research problems and questions when you took practical research 1. In this lesson, quantitative research problems and types of quantitative research questions will be elaborated. Nature of quantitative research problem. Once we encounter uncertainty, being inquisitive, we always find ways to answers or solutions. Ignited by interest, curiosity, or need, we always find ourselves pondering about the current problem we are facing. When we are thinking and behaving this way, we are then confronted by a problem that can be a source of a research problem. A research problem is simple as problem you would like to research. Quantitative research problem deals more with the precision and specificity of the problem. Furthermore, the quantitative research problem describes trends and patterns of a phenomenon. When you have identified your quantitative research problem, you can now state it and make sure to establish its place in your study. In your written paper, this can be found as a statement of the problem, where it formally introduces the problem that you want to investigate or address. By this time, you can start specifying what you want to answer in your study. Thank you very much, and that's all for today. God bless.